name is Kai, and today I'm gonna share to you our trip to Boracay. I'm also gonna share some tips and some things needed to go to Boracay. Tip number 1. Better use the Skyway to avoid traffic rush, delays, and stress. Tip number 2. Make sure to be at the airport about 3 to 4 hours before the flight. And for the requirements, please look at the details in the screen. Tip number 3. Do an early check-in online. Number 4. Don't forget to always wear your face mask. Keep on watching the video to see other things to accomplish to reach Boracay. I am so excited to ride on a plane again, and I noticed that there are so many empty seats. This is the itinerary to go to Boracay. First, ride a plane from Naiya to Caticlan Airport. Then ride an e-trike from Caticlan Airport to Jetty Port. Then ride a boat to Boracay Port. Then finally, ride an e-trike from Boracay Port to your destination. The flight was about 45 minutes to 1 hour. We are finally at the Caticlan Airport. Tip number 5. Riding an e-trike is the best option and cheapest options here in Caticlan for only 100 to 150 pesos per e-trike.
Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
Once you're in the jetty port, there are some things you have to do. Please look at the list in the screen.
Dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold.
Wow, the place looks beautiful. And that's why I remember this Bible verse from Genesis 1:31.
Dripping like
God
gold.
saw all
You
that
got
he
me
had
so
made,
wild.
and it was very
Dripping like
good.
gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
We are now here in Boracay Port. last ride to destination. Ride and eat ride going straight to your hotel. Finally, we are here at Station 1 in Residencia, Boracay. Oh, let's check out our room. And the best part about this room is the balcony because we can see the beach. Free water, free coffee, and free tea. That's it for now. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell button. And always remember, every day is always a blessing. Bye!